my amazing creative humans. Welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new, you guys don't know who I am. My name is Z. And this channel we do embroidery and Etsy and just mom, kind of like what I do while I'm trying to run a home business, and also sewing. When I have the time, I do sewing tutorial for all of you guys here. And today's video is just a video log. So I haven't video logged this whole week because I didn't have any Etsy order. Well, I cannot say any because I did receive 2 orders, one on Wednesday, one on Thursday, and then also yesterday a friend of mine, PM, also contacted me to do a custom order for her too. So basically I have just 3 orders, and while during those time I just used to learn other skills and clean up a little bit. I mean, I am still doing the challenge, you guys. I just didn't have the time to film. I'm slowly fixing things up. I think I'm really far behind, but I am going to just eliminate some of the things because I am really far behind, you guys. I'm still working on my business paperwork, and I have built my tracking inventory through Excel already, and I'm trying to get rid of Shortly. But oh my gosh, that Shortly app that I bought last year, bought the subscription, and they made it so hard for me to cancel. Like, I just can't cancel it through the app or the website, and I try to contact them, but well, maybe I have to try to find their phone number. It's so hard to find their phone number, so hopefully I can get a hold of them and cancel the subscription, because I only have 1 more month till they charge me again, and it's really pricey, and I don't think I needed that, you guys. I think I don't know what I was doing. I tried to went fancy. I don't know. I invest in a lot of things in the beginning, but now I realize no, like, I'm not making tons of volumes of sales, so it doesn't make sense to me. I try to set it up like I was already doing well already, so I bought a lot of inventory beforehand, like that initial cost. When I started, I have an initial cost, a starter cost that I have, and I just purchase all the neat things. But as I go on into the business, I feel like, okay, I cannot be scaling my business up because I have to take care of my kids in the house. And so I'm not making the sale volume that I set forth or set myself up. And so I am taking that app away because it doesn't make sense for me, and I'm not making tons of sales volume, so I don't need a big inventory tracking like that. So I went with a basic thing that I built on Excel. So if you guys are interested in that, I will talk about it later, and I will put it up for sale if anybody is interested in the Excel sheet that I created, just to track like your ongoing blinks, or things that you guys use to make your product for sale on Etsy. So anyway, it's already 10:31 a.m. here in California. Like, I normally wake up at 5 when I do my video log, you guys. It's supposed to be 5 a.m. but during those time I was just relaxing, just doing a little bit of things on the computer, so I just didn't have anything to video log. And right now I have a little bit free time, so I need to get to it. So I'm gonna be cutting fabric for the outfit that I need to do for my friend Pia. And then luckily somebody on Etsy ordered a cow, that cow birthday outfit set. They always order just the shirt. They never order the set, so I was glad this week the set sold for the first time. And I already have the bloomer made already in the size that they order, so I'm not going to be making the bloomer. I'm just going to be embroidering the shirt. Yeah, so that's about it for today. I'm going to try my best to get those orders done ASAP so I can move back onto my challenge. I need to get it done, and then tomorrow Saturday I'm going to be seeing a CPA, you guys. Oh my gosh, I think I am not organized when it comes to keeping track. Like, I just have, it's so hard, you guys, because you try to run the business, keeping up with your order, and then you still have to do the administration and take care of my kids. So that was the juggle for me, and also I didn't know what I was doing. I kind of have an idea, but like I'm still clueless. So I'm gonna go talk to a local CPA tomorrow. We scheduled that up. So I'm gonna find out, you guys, like what I really need to do if I have a handmade business and I only sell on Etsy, because I don't know I know what to track, but I don't know how to track it. That was my biggest problem. So I make my own that applies to me, to my own specific needs. So I made one so I can show you guys later. It's not bookkeeping, because if you guys know the difference, bookkeeping and inventory tracking is different. They're completely different. So bookkeeping is like, taking in what you sell, like your sales, things like that. So yeah, anyways, that's just a little thing I want to share with you guys, what's going on so far. I didn't video log at all Monday through Thursday. So this is the first video log of this week, and today is already February 18th, Friday. Okay, so I will just do a time lapse of me working when I'm working, because today we are just gonna go visit my husband and his work too. So, hello. So here's Cloud. He just ate his pizza. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, look at him. He just have pizza. We just baked some pizza, right? So Cloud just ate and his face is all messed up. I need to go clean it up. So I will talk to you guys and just show you guys a time lapse of me working on those 3 orders. Okay, so take care, you guys. Hey, my amazing creative humans. Welcome to AquaBloomBoutique. If you guys are new, my name is Z, and today is another video log, and it's Saturday, 5 a.m. here at California time. I have not been doing any early video log because I've been going to bed later at night, and just haven't filmed much this week on any video log because there wasn't much to share since I didn't do any embroidery. It was just more toward my kids and other things in administration, because I am trying to get all my tax stuff together. I know it's tax season, you guys. I'm sure a lot of you are doing that, and 2 weeks ago Naomi and myself, we were talking about it. So hopefully you guys are getting your stuff together. I'm just getting my stuff together now. So yeah, I don't have much to share this week because I didn't have much work to do other than just getting my stuff together. And yeah, so I only have 3 shirts to do, so let's just get to work, you guys, because I don't want to waste any more time. So I'll see you guys if I have any updates. Look what I did. I don't know. I think I didn't tighten the needle far enough, and the needle came off and I stuck right here, so I'm gonna try to take it out. I mean, it didn't break, it just came off and then it got stuck. And luckily I was here, so if I would have left, could have been more disastrous. So just be careful and tighten your screw up here. You see that? That's the screw. Bye everybody. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.